Ahoy, hoy. Welcome back to a sort of series of, I think, 4 of returned founds. I gave guitars and give guitars to people over the years, and I've run out of my own ones to review. So a friend bought some guitars I've lent the family over the years and said, here, review these. I have been dreading this. This is known as the banana bass. People ask me, Gavin, why don't you do more bass guitars? I think this guitar on its own answers every single question about bass guitars you need to know. There'll be some close-ups of this. Look at that neck. I remember when I bought this, I was working at Wickes in the head office, and it turned up, and the mail chap, Ian, brought it in, and we unpacked it on my desk, and I think Dan Cuomo was it's just a banana bass. You bought another load of old crap, Gavin. And it is. We've got no name on it. No name on the pickups. The paint job looks a bit like somebody's used it as a hammer. The neck joint is appalling. I did what I could. It is completely bent, and we've got action of about 1 centimetre at the 12th. I tried putting bits of timber in to try and sort the neck out a bit, and I failed. I believe the owners took it to somewhere else for them to have a go, and you can see that they've re-drilled holes in order to try and pull the neck in, and that's failed as well. It's clearly, apparently, more difficult to make a bass guitar that's acceptable than a normal one. Let me just tune up for what it's worth. Okay, we'll try that. Do the electrics even work? Everything feels so loose on this. Awful. I will see what I can do. It's not very good at all. It reminds me of the guitars that I had when I first started playing guitar, because the action is awful and there's nothing you can do about it. So you played on through it. You did the best you could. Intonation obviously is completely wrong as well. And there's nothing really that can be done. If this video stops now, it's because I have had a look at it and decided, no, there is nothing that can be done with this banana bass. If you look at the bottom and the bar's only halfway through, well, I've managed to do something with it. But probably not, so I'll say goodbye now. Thank you for watching. This is an abject lesson in try before you buy, because this is unplayable. Oh God. God, even the tuning pegs are just awfully falling apart. Subscribe, more videos there. Don't buy banana bases, and here are the cats. Toodle Pip.